Hello viewers, let's talk about monstera plant. Okay, how to care monstera plants? First, light. Monstera plants prefer bright indirect light. They can tolerate some lower light conditions, but for optimal growth and leaf development, place them near a window with filtered sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. Next, humidity. Monstera plants prefer high humidity levels. You can increase humidity by misting the leaves regularly or placing a humidifier nearby. Alternatively, you can create a pebble tray by filling a shallow tray with water and placing pebbles in it. Next, watering. Water your monstera plants thoroughly, but allow the top inch or two of the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential not to let the plants sit in soggy soil. In winter, reduce watering frequency since the plant's growth slows down during this time. Next, temperature. Monstera plants prefer warm temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees centigrade. They can tolerate slightly cooler temperatures, but avoid exposing them to temperatures below 50 degrees centigrade, same as 10 degrees centigrade, as it can harm the plant. Next, soil. Plant your monstera in well-draining soil that retains some moisture but doesn't become waterlogged. A mix of potting soil, peat, moss, and perlite or orchid bark usually works well. Next, pruning. Pruning is essential to complete the plant healthy and encourage bushier growth. Trim off any yellow or dead leaves and cut back leg stems. Prune just above a knot, where the leaves meets the stem to encourage new growth. Next, finally, repotting. Repot the plant every 1 to 2 years or when it outgrows its current pot. Spring is usually the best time for repotting. Thank you viewers. Please like and subscribe our channel.